Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Gemini in Google Sheets to make your work faster and more efficient. First, you need to join Google Workspace Labs. Go to the Google Workspace Labs website and sign in with your Google account if you aren't already. Once signed in, fill out the interest form and submit it. You'll receive confirmation that you now have access to Workspace Labs. After that, open Google Sheets, either a new or existing spreadsheet, and look for the Gemini icon in the top right corner. It looks like a four-pointed star. Click on the icon and the Gemini panel will appear on the right side of your spreadsheet. From there, you can type your own prompts or use Gemini's suggested prompts to improve your experience in Google Sheets. For example, you can ask Gemini to create a structured spreadsheet for a project, generate a data entry form, plan a budget, or even set up a goal tracking system. Once Gemini generates the table or plan, you can edit it to fit your needs. This is a great way to get a head start on organizing your activities without having to manually format cells or input all the data yourself. And that's how you can use Gemini in Google Sheets to save time and boost your productivity. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a Google Sheets tip.